Hey FPV fanatics, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 FPV drones of 2025. We'll break down specs, flight performance, camera quality, and real-world pros and cons ready to soar. Let's kick things off. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. New AE30 GPS Drone. 4K imaging with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal plus EIS stabilization for smooth footage. 11.4V 4500 mAh battery, offering up to 25 minutes flight time. Transmission range of about 6 kilometers and flight distance up to 10 kilometers. Weighs around 783 g. It's a powerhouse, great stabilization and solid battery life. However, at nearly 800 grams, it's a bit on the heavier side, not as nimble on the go. Pros: excellent image stabilization, decent battery life, long flight/range specs. Number 2. ZLL-A25 Pro GPS Drone. Equipped with an 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Features a 5.5-inch touchscreen remote and boasts a 28-minute battery life with a 6 kilometers control range. A premium feel with the touchscreen controller and obstacle avoidance, perfect for users who value visuals and safety. If the advertised 28-minute endurance holds up in real use, that's pretty impressive. Pros: touchscreen remote, no smartphone needed. Obstacle avoidance improves flight safety. Extended flight time spec. Number 3. Emax Tinyhawk 3 Plus. A compact racing drone, available BNF/RTF, with 2.4G ELRS, analog/HD0 VTX, and 650 mAh 1S battery. This one's made for agility and speed, ideal for FPV racers, not cinematic capture. It's light, responsive, and built for bursts of action. Pros: featherweight and highly agile. Flexible setup with BNF/RTF and modern VTX. Fun for racing and freestyle. Number 4. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone. 4K camera on a 3-axis gimbal, 6 kilometers range, touchscreen RC, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. A robust option for safe, stable filming. The touchscreen controller is intuitive. Just be sure to use a fast microSD card to ensure quality footage. Pros: high-res stabilized footage. User-friendly touchscreen controller. Obstacle avoidance for safer flights. Number 5. KF102/KF102 Max Drone. Features 4K camera, 2-axis anti-shake gimbal, GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, and brushless motor. Solid mid-range pick, good camera and gimbal. Not as premium as the AE30 or Teeggi, but likely more budget-friendly. Worth a hands-on test to see if the 2-axis gimbal meets your footage needs. Pros: 4K capability with gimbal support. GPS enhances flight stability. Lightweight design, likely. Here's how I'd rank them for different users. Best for cinematic shots, AE30 or Teeggi SG909 Max. Best for racing and agility, Emax Tinyhawk 3 Plus. Best all-around with safety features, ZLL-A25 Pro. Best budget option, KF102 Max. Always invest in a high-speed microSD card for best video quality. Treat spec sheets, as optimistic testing is key. Obstacle avoidance, peace of mind. Think gimbal axis. 3-axis gives smoother results. That wraps up our top 5 FPV drones of 2025. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll catch you in the next flight review. Let me know if you'd like tweaks, tone adjustments, deeper spec comparisons, or specific call to action lines for your channel.